Hey guys, welcome back to my reviews and thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking a look at the Prestacycle TorqRatchet Wallet Pro. Essentially this is a ratchet multi-tool. You've got in this nice little wallet, you've got Torx keys, Phillips screwdriver head, and then Allen keys from 2mm through to 8mm. You've got on one end, nice little ratchet, little switch both directions. And then the feature that sort of sets this apart is on the other end, you've also got a built-in torque wrench, and that'll do accurately from 2 Nm through to 10. That makes it a pretty interesting tool. You know, not only can you kind of quickly do up and undo anything you need, but you can also then accurately do it back up. Certainly if you've got carbon components, which most people do these days, that's quite important. You don't want to be just swinging off of things and kind of guessing where it's done. First of all, we'll just take a look at the ratchet head itself. So this is actually rated up to 60 Nm, which is quite a lot for a tool of this size, possibly more than you'd expect. It's got a really nice fitment as well, so you're never going to drop an Allen key head out of there. It's nice and secure. And as I said, it's got everything from 2mm through to 8mm on the Allen keys. So you can actually undo a set of pedals and do it back up with this little tool. 60 Nm is more than I can do by hand anyway, so that's more than you're ever going to need. The sort of more interesting part about this tool and what sets it out from other multi-tools is it's got a built-in torque wrench. This works from 2 Nm through to 10, so that covers most of your stem bolts and C-clamps and things like that. And that's got a nice kind of intuitive little line here. So as you do it up, you use just the end section of the tool, and as you do that up tighter, you start to see this white indicator screen, and as you get to your 6 Nm there, that's just reaching the 6, so we know that that's where that needs to be. So yeah, pretty impressed with this little tool. It's effective, it's got everything you need, nice little ratchet on it, and the torque display is really clear and you can see it nicely as well. The other thing that's quite impressive is that's accurate for 5,000 cycles. You can get them recalibrated by Presta as well if you ever needed to, but 5,000 cycles is a lot of use, and knowing that it's going to be accurate for that long is really nice. So yeah, another great product from Presta. Really impressed with it, and certainly one I'm going to continue to use.